Hey everyone, it's Natasha of NatashasKitchen.com, and today we're making marinated mini bell peppers. These are so easy and they always disappear fast. There's no seeding, no slicing, no dicing, and they can be made ahead so they're perfect for parties. We'll start with 1.5 pounds of mini bell peppers. Rinse and pat dry the peppers, then drizzle with half a tablespoon of olive oil and toss to coat. Grill the peppers over medium-low heat about 2 minutes per side or 5 to 6 minutes total. You want to see the brown grill marks start to form, and you're really just softening them at this point. You can sauté them on a skillet until they're golden, but keep in mind they do splatter a little bit more on the stovetop, so use a splatter guard. Transfer those to a bowl and set them aside to cool while you make your marinade. I just love the sweet, smoky flavor of grilled bell peppers. To make the marinade, combine 1 cup of cold water, 1 1/4 cups of white vinegar, 6 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of sea salt, and 6 minced garlic cloves. Stir that together until the sugar and salt dissolve. Now finely chop 1 small bunch of fresh parsley. You can use either flat leaf parsley or the curled Italian style. Now finely chop 1 bunch of fresh dill. I'm usually using equal parts of parsley and dill, but if you have more dill or more parsley, it'll still work great. Now we're ready to put everything together. In a 1/2 gallon jar or similar container, add half of your fresh herbs to the bottom. Then tightly pack in all of your peppers. Add your marinade. Top with the remaining herbs and any leftover marinade. Take a moment to admire your beautiful peppers, then marinate for 24 hours in the refrigerator before serving. I just happen to have some marinating in the fridge overnight already, so we're gonna go right into the taste test. And I cannot wait. And we love serving these with mashed potatoes. It is the best flavor combination, I'm telling you. These are always a hit at parties. They disappear fast, so it's smart to make a double batch. I'll just tell you that right now. You've been warned. Okay, here we go. Wow, these will make your taste buds dance. They are so flavorful. Each one is delicious, and putting them on the grill like that adds a smoky sweetness to them that is just irresistible. I love that these have this great garden feel to them. They're loaded with fresh parsley and dill. These are so good. They're kind of old school, but seriously fantastic and a keeper of a recipe. This recipe has been a family favorite for a long time, and it was inspired by a recipe by my friend Natalia from momsdish.com. So thank you so much for sharing this goodness with all of us. If you enjoyed this video, give me a great big thumbs up below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. If this recipe makes your mouth water like it does mine, make sure you check out some of our favorite things to pair it with right over here, and click below to subscribe. And when you do, click that little bell icon so you'll get notifications every time we post a new recipe. We'll see you later.